Attention! Your search engine listing is at risk for removal. How is this possible? Well, you can see here at Google My Business Help Form, when Google My Business users do not log into their pages for a significant amount of time, Google may unverified pages on their account. Here's another post that Google sent out on July 28th. They announced, starting now, that they will begin shutting down unverified and inactive business listings, and they are encouraging Google partners to notify their customers and verify their pages if they wish to retain it. If you're watching this video now, we have identified your Google My Business page as one that's not verified and at risk for removal. You may notice this on your listing if you click on your page. You still have time to verify your listing. Don't delay. Click on the link below or go to www.secureplustech.com for more details.